How to report an account on TikTok. First is by opening your TikTok app and then go ahead onto the profile of that person. For example, I will choose this one. Click on their profile and simply click on this share button found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then click on report right here and make sure to click on report account right here. And then choose the option that you want. So you may choose posting inappropriate content, pretending to be someone, inappropriate profile info, and many more. If you cannot see the reason that you want, simply go to others right here and click on submit right here. So again, just to recap, go to their profile, click onto the share button, click on report, and then click on report account right here. So there you go. That's how you can report an account on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.